I want you to close your eyes and look at this picture and realize how beautiful this sky is, how relaxing this is. The colors, I'm colorblind and it's still beautiful. And then, how much more pretty would it be without all these stupid cars, these stupid roads, these stupid signs, these stupid lights, these stupid power lines, and these stupid houses? How wonderfully wonderful would it be just to have this view without all this rigmarole and all this noise? I hope you enjoy this soothing, relaxing video. The last 10 seconds are all yours.